Electric vans can absolutely work for plumbing companies, but only if the daily routes stay short and predictable, since most plumbing work happens within a limited service area rather than long highway trips. Think of an electric van like a phone that needs charging every night. If a plumbing company mostly drives around town, stopping at houses that are close together, the battery can easily handle a full day of work, often between 100 and 200 miles depending on the model. What most people do not realize is that carrying heavy tools, pipes, and water heaters in the back of the van can reduce that range more than people expect, sometimes by 20% or more, because all that extra weight forces the motor to work harder. Another thing barely anyone talks about is that plumbers who install electric water heaters or tankless systems can actually charge their van using specialized outlets already present at some job sites, saving time compared to waiting for a home charger. The upfront cost of an electric van is usually higher, but fuel and maintenance savings can add up fast since electric motors have far fewer moving parts than a gas engine, meaning fewer repairs over time. One common mistake is assuming range estimates apply no matter how the van is loaded, so it is smart to test real-world range with full equipment before committing a whole fleet. Another misconception is thinking public chargers are always fast and available, when in reality installing a charger at the company's own shop is usually more reliable and cheaper in the long run. People also forget that cold weather can lower battery range noticeably, so scheduling routes with that in mind during winter months can prevent surprises. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message back with their estimates.